Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. So Indian cryptocurrency exchange WazirX asked the Singapore High Court for 6 months protection while it restructures its liabilities after losing $234 million to a hack in July, as rival CoinSwitch said it is likely to pursue legal action to recover assets deposited on the system. Well, the filing by Singapore Incorporated ZI Pte, whose subsidiary Zanmai India operates WazirX, said in a moratorium will give the company the time it needs to develop a restructuring plan which represents the most efficient way to address users' crypto balances on the platform and facilitate recovery for users, according to a WazirX blog post. Well, an automatic moratorium of 30 days kicks in with the August 27 filing, providing protection from possible legal action by CoinSwitch, which is seeking to recover $9.6 million worth of deposits it had on the platform. Well, a date for the hearing on whether to grant a longer moratorium has not been scheduled. So WazirX co-founder Nishal Shetty submitted an affidavit under the ZI name to support the application. A dispute with Binance is ongoing over who owns the platform. Also, WazirX said it had set aside $12 million in crypto tokens to meet anticipated costs for the investigations and legal expenses. Crypto.com, a cryptocurrency exchange based in Singapore, has launched new global retail services in partnership with Standard Chartered Bank to offer customers United States dollars, euro, and United Arab Emirates dirham options. So according to the press release, the services will enable users in over 90 countries to deposit and withdraw the aforementioned fiat currencies via the Crypto.com app. The new global services will initially be available to customers in the UAE, but the exchange plans to gradually extend these services over time. So the expansion is powered by Standard Chartered Bank and supported by Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority regulatory framework. Well, Crypto.com's new global retail services will be offered via the firm's regional hub in Dubai, located in the UAE, a region considered one of the strictest in consumer protection. Stacks, a layer 2 blockchain that augments the Bitcoin network, has begun its Nakamoto upgrade with the aim of making transactions even faster. So the Nakamoto upgrade, which is named after Bitcoin's anonymous creator Satoshi Nakamoto, will decouple the block production schedule on Stacks from Bitcoins. Network operators now have a 2-week window to implement the Nakamoto upgrade, after which there will be hard fork that completes the process. Nakamoto introduces a new way of producing Stacks blocks using a proof of transfer consensus algorithm. Now, users spawn Bitcoin to mine Stacks blocks and receive rewards. This process began its implementation in April, with block signers coming online to validate tenures of transactions. The Open Network has come back online after a second major outage in just 36 hours. So the official Torn community announced the network's return to normal functionality around 1 a.m. UTC on August 29 in the official Torn Telegram group after it went down the other outage at 7:17 p.m. on August 28. Torn network is fully operational, wrote the Torn community chat, adding that withdrawals and deposits to Torn wallets would be credited in the coming hours and days. So the most recent outage lasted for just over 6 hours, with Torn once again pinning the outage on a surge in network activity stemming from the launch of a new Torn-based meme coin called DOGE. Torn is the third-party blockchain protocol that the Telegram messaging platform has integrated into its service, and has also claimed it will remain operational and unhindered by Durov's arrest. Ethereum ETFs in the US have shown resilience, recording a net inflow of $5.8 million after 9 consecutive days of outflows. So this marks a contrast to Bitcoin ETFs, which saw $105 million in outflows on the same day. While BlackRock's Ethereum ETF led with an $8.4 million inflow, while Grayscale's ETH continued to face challenges with a $3.8 million outflow. Despite initial hurdles, the recent positive flow in Ethereum ETFs addressed growing investor interest, the second largest crypto by market cap. Shiba Eternity has rebranded to Shiba Inu Games, now operating under the handle Play with Shib on X. signaling a deeper focus on developing games for the Shiba ecosystem. So the rebranding was announced through a social media post, with lead developer Satoshi Kusama praising the move. Shiba Inu Games also unveiled a new side-scrolling shooter game called Agent Shiboshi, featuring a Shiba Inu secret agent battling shadow cats. While the game includes an in-game currency system and will launch on Web2 platforms with plans for future integration into Shibarium, another game, Shiboshi Rush, is also in development. Concerns of a Binance liquidity crisis emerged after reports claimed 44,808 bitcoins were withdrawn. However, Binance had preemptively moved 30,000 bitcoins from the storage, and critics overlooked Binance's broader assets and conflicting data showing higher Bitcoin holdings. Now, allegations of asset seizures from Palestinian users fueled the boycott Binance trend, but CEO Richard Teng dismissed it as misinformation, clarifying that only accounts linked to illicit funds were blocked. IREN, formerly Iris Energy, reported a record $184.1 million in Bitcoin mining revenue for the fiscal year ending June 30, 2024, a 144% increase from the previous year, driven by a near doubling of its self-mining capacity from 5.6 exahashes per second to 10 exahashes per second. Now, the company mined 4,191 BTC, up from 3,259 BTC mined the prior year, and plans to reach around 30 exahashes per second by the end of 2024. Also, the IREN has introduced AI cloud services, generating $3.1 million in revenue. Despite rising costs, including electricity expenses and renewable energy credits, the firm's net losses narrowed to $29 million from $171.9 million the previous year. Ripple has burned 185 Ripple USD tokens by sending them back to the issuer account, leaving no tokens in circulation on the XRP, Ledger, or Ethereum. These tokens were part of a private beta test for Ripple's stablecoin, which started earlier this month. While currently only accessible to some of Ripple's enterprise partners and not tradable on exchanges, the stablecoin is expected to be available to the public after further testing. Now, Ripple introduced the stablecoin in April, anticipating significant market growth despite competition from established players like Tether and Circle. Also, Ripple executives have clarified that the new stablecoin will not replace XRP. Crypto.com has launched global retail services from its Dubai hub, supported by Standard Chartered and Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, WARA. So starting next month, UAE users will access Crypto.com's app for buying, selling, and trading over 250 cryptocurrencies, with services extending worldwide. So the collaboration with Standard Chartered enhances fiat deposit and withdrawal capabilities in USD, EUR, and AED, aligning with the UAE's innovation and economic diversification goals. So this move follows Crypto.com's recent regulatory approval from WARA and exchange launch for institutional investors. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.